Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the Polygon Matic. What's going on in the Polygon Matic, my friends? In this video, we are going to discuss the future of the Polygon Matic. But first of all, before starting this video, I really want to congratulate all Polygon Matic holders. Absolutely, my friends, the Polygon Matic is start explosion, and absolutely that is the massive gains of Polygon Matic. You can see here after 20 July. After 20 July, the price is very fastly moving upward. You can see very fastly they are start explosion. In a previous time, the Polygon Matic price is completely going in the lows. But now the latest situation, the price of Polygon Matic is about to increase. Positive 5.8%. The price change is positive. So 5.8% the price of Matic increase. But remember, in the previous time also the Polygon Matic price falls down. That's why we are not in a profit, my friends. Because in the previous time also the Polygon Matic price is falls down from 1.26 USD dollar to 0.903 USD dollar. That is why we are not in a profit, my friends. My friends, never lose hope, just hold it. I hope everything will be okay, and I'm sure about that Polygon Matic will only give us profit, not loss. Hope you like this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.